Hello, my name is Sasha Herriman and I'm a broadcaster, and I'm here to share some of the skills and experiences that I've had over my many years working in broadcasting. So that's right across film and television and radio. I work for a wide range of organisations. Those include people like the BBC, ITV News, also Sky News, Channel 5 News and CNN International. And I've learned a lot from that experience. I've had some good times and I've had some bad times. I've made many mistakes and I've done some things right. And what I've learned is that I've used all those experiences that I've had over my career to be able to hone down and to focus. So what can I actually help you do? Well, I'm working with Somerset Film and we're going to hopefully be able to share those experiences with a series of workshops where we can help you learn presentational skills. That's about how to present yourself and also how to present your organisation. So two key things that we can bring to you. Learning how to present yourself and to present to camera, learning how to focus, learning how not to get worried about other things that might be happening in the periphery of your vision. And then learning how to present your organisation, so getting your organisational key messages across and not again getting distracted by other things that might be happening. And you can actually learn by taking part and doing it. So making a few mistakes and working out how exactly to get your message across and how to get your company, your organisational message across.